Welcome back, turners. Today's quick project is going to be changing the belt on my drill press. Since I had the extra belt from the changeover on my Harbor Freight lathe, I'm going to see if I can use the rest of that for my Ryobi 12-inch drill press. So let's take a look at that. Alright guys, so I got the top off my Ryobi drill press. You can see this has got a hinge lid on it. There's the hinge in the back. And this there's one screw that holds that down, and then this thing just lifts off and hinges back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work this belt off the Reeves drive and see if I can replace it with the link belt. Not all that dissimilar from taking the belt off the Harbor Freight lathe. So now what we need to do is just see if we have enough belt to match up here. Oh, and by golly I do, and maybe a little bit extra. So that's going to be good. So I'm going to get that connected and then show you the remounting process. I got that connected, and it's a really good approximation of the size of the other one. So we're going to see how this works out. I'm going to go ahead and sneak that back through there. Open up that bottom pulley. Okay. And I'm going to just force it open. Okay. I'm going to bring this around this pulley and just start working it around. Oh, maybe the other direction will be easier. Yeah, much easier. Okay, so it takes a little brute strength, but sometimes I'm a brute. There we go. So, now, if you're asking me, why didn't I use the Harbor Freight green belt for this? Well, here's the reason. This is, again, a 3L belt. So this is another, I believe that's they call a 3/8 belt. So 3L is the automotive number for it. The Harbor Freight belt, which this is the one I used on my bandsaw. You'll notice it's quite a bit wider, if you can see that. So this is a less expensive belt. It's more common for bigger machinery. I don't know what the size of it is, but it fits the bandsaw perfectly. And but these other machines take the 3L type belt, and that's what this more expensive belt is. It's a 3L or 3/8. So let's give her a test run. Okay, I've got her running in her lowest setting. Boy, that's smooth. And she's running at 660, so I need to check the spec and see if that was the lowest it was supposed to run at, or if I need to remove another link. Alright guys, so when I consult the manual, the spec says that the, where did I put it? Here it is. So there's the no-load speed is supposed to be 500 RPMs for this lowest setting and 3,000 for the highest. So I could probably stand to pull a link out of that. So I'm going to do that and we'll try her again. Guys, just so you can see what's going on, I'm going to go ahead and turn her on. You can see the digital readout here. So that's pretty low. It's about 560 to 580. Pretty sure that is the lowest setting. I had to take 2 links out to get her there. So let's see where she goes on the high end. Oh yeah, smooth. We're at 26. Yeah, you know what? I'm okay with that. You can never tell with the factory settings. You know, the manual says one thing, you might end up with something else in reality. That is the bottom right there. So, maybe 550. I like it. Well guys, thanks for watching the video. And hopefully if you have this drill press, or maybe one of its little brothers, this was helpful in seeing how to change out your stock belt to a link belt. I'll keep that stock belt as a spare, but I probably will likely never need it, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes, and it's running really smooth, and thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe. One thing I want to note is maybe you've noticed I'm not monetizing these videos. Not my intent to make money and put you guys through a lot of commercial stuff, so for me, it's all about sharing what I do, and hoping some folks get something entertaining or even a little educational out of it. So again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.